Hello, my name is Chris. Welcome. Today I want to learn about ground minced chicken. This ground minced chicken is half horns. It's diced minced chicken from the butcher. Really wonderful. So, and I'm going to mix it with silk tofu, and a little bit ginger powder, and also a little bit of rice flour. I love working with rice flour. Yes. First, let's do the chicken first. Get out the package. Always wash your hands. Whee! Always wash your hands. So, take a little bit chicken, ground minced chicken, in the bowl, in the bowl. Ground minced chicken in the bowl. You. Sticky, so sticky ground chicken. Have a piece, so let's throw it to the plastic bin. Have the ground chicken, and I go a little bit of rice flour, like so say one scoop of teaspoon. One scoop of teaspoon. So very sweet rice flour. And ginger powder. Ginger powder. Like 2 spoons. 2 spoons of ginger powder. And the chocolate tofu. We only need half, so I cut it in half, like that. Cut it in half with a knife. Drain the excess water off. Drain the excess water off. Here. And do the tofu also in the gong. You say, yeah, in the gong. Tofu, so delicious of tofu in it. The rest go in the fridge, but they want it back. Now it's everything in the bowl. Ready? And I go to mix with my hands. It's very cold. Mixing with the hands is very cold. Ooh. Let every tofu go touch the chicken, the ground minced chicken. You can make burgers, ground minced chicken burgers with tofu. But I make a little balls from it. Like that. Just like that. So it's mixed in the tofu. So look, it's mixed. Oh. Wash your hands again. Wash your hands. And I have the wooded palace, and I have the wooded place. You just take a little bit, so like this, roll it over, and you have balls like that, like that. Make it so many balls. So many balls, big size, small size, it does not matter to me. It's a little bit too big. Oh. I do make kiwi balls.